Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding that glass no longer exists. Windows? Gone. Smartphones? A lump of metal and plastic. Microscopes and telescopes? Erased. The truth is, we're surrounded by inventions so deeply woven into daily life that they've practically disappeared from our awareness. Today, we're dusting off those innovations, the quiet, unsung heroes that shaped our world. Glass wasn't invented in a single moment. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians were making beads from it over 3,500 years ago. But the real world-changing moment came in the 17th century with the invention of optical quality glass lenses. Lenses turned our eyes into time machines. Galileo's telescope opened the heavens. Leeuwenhoek's microscope revealed the microbial world, showing for the first time that an invisible universe swarms beneath our perception. If you've ever zoomed in on a photo, you've benefited from a lineage that began with a chunk of sand, melted at over 1,700 C and shaped by human ingenuity. Mini tangent. Glass was also crucial for the scientific revolution, so much so that historian Alan McFarlane called it the invisible engine of modernity. It's everywhere, in light bulbs, bottle caps, and even your bones if you've had orthopedic surgery. The humble screw thread is a 2,000-year-old idea, possibly invented by Archimedes for his famous water screw, but it quietly became the backbone of the Industrial Revolution. Standardizing screw threads in the 19th century, the Whitworth standard in Britain, the Sellers system in the US meant factories could produce machines with interchangeable parts. Without it, global manufacturing as we know it would fall apart. Farming is one of the earliest technologies, but the moldboard plow of the Middle Ages transformed food production. Its curved blade turned over dense, clay-heavy soils of northern Europe, unlocking vast farmland previously unusable. This surplus of food fueled population growth, trade, and even urbanization, all because of a sharpened hunk of wood and iron. In 1839, Charles Goodyear accidentally dropped rubber mixed with sulfur onto a hot stove. The result? Vulcanization, a process that made rubber durable in both heat and cold. Without it, we'd have no car tires, no shock absorbers, no seals in industrial machines. Even the space shuttle's boosters relied on vulcanized rubber O-rings. It's a reminder that sometimes the biggest leaps come from, well, happy accidents. The inventions that shaped our world aren't always the flashy ones. Sometimes they're the quiet, unassuming tools that make everything else possible. So next time you screw on a jar lid, look through a window, or ride in a car, you're touching centuries of human problem solving.